Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will be showing how to install JDK in your system. For that, just open your favorite browser. Here I am opening Microsoft Edge. Just type Java JDK download and we can see here the first website only. Just click on it. It will take us into Oracle website. We can find here Java SE downloads. SE stands for Java Standard Edition and Java has released Java 15. This is the latest version. So guys, if you are downloading some other time, this version number might be changed. No worries. We have to install latest version only. So that just click on this JDK download and scroll down. We can find compressed archive. Here we have two files, .exe file and .zip file. So I will suggest with .exe file only. Just click on here. Here we have to accept the terms and conditions. Just give a click on this checkbox and click on here. Guys, it is downloading. Based on your internet speed, it will take few minutes. Just wait. Guys, in this gap, just subscribe our Programmer's Talk channel so that you can get latest videos. That videos will help us a lot to grow and survive in the IT industry. Guys, it's completed. Just click on here. Just click on show in folder. We can find here. Just double click on here. Guys, just click on this and it just asking if you want to change the location of the storageable file. You can change here, but I will go with default. Just click on next. Guys, just click on this close and open your C drive and you'll just go with your program files and there you able to see Java folder, right? Just click on this. Here we have installed the JDK. Just click on here. We have a bin folder and it have all predefined files are came. So that just guys, we are done. We have installed the JDK, Java JDK in our system. But here we need to configure our Java software with our system. For that, we need to copy this JDK path. Go with bin and copy this. Copy. And just in the search bar, just type environment variables. Edit system environment variables. Just click on this. Just click on environment variables and here we can find user variables and system variables. So guys, here you able to see path. Just click on and click on edit. Guys, we need to add the path of our JDK, Java JDK, so that we able to develop and run the Java application. So just click on new and give a semicolon and paste your JDK path. Okay, and guys, and we need to set for this user variables. Just we need to set our Java home. Just click on new variable name. Here is the case sensitive. We need to take only caps Java underscore Java home, and here variable value is just go to your Java installable storage again and copy this path till only JDK. Don't take bin folder. So just paste here, click on OK, click on OK, just click on simple OK. Yeah, we are done. It's completed. But guys, just open your command prompt. Just I want to check the version of Java that we have installed. The 15.0.2, and just I want to run my first Java program. For that purpose, just I am opening Notepad. Just write simple program. Just save it, Ctrl plus yes, and here save file name my program or Java. Click on yes, and just guys open your D folder because I am saving here inside the D drive. Java programs is a folder name. Just click on here, just type cmd so that it will open here. It will open this. Then just type Java command Java C to compile our program, and type file name my program. Enter. Yeah, the program has been compiled. Next, run the program. Enter. See, we able to print hello programmer. So that's it guys, we have installed Java. Thank you.